Hello, welcome back to my channel Dr.Shireesha's Management Lectures. In this video, we shall see or we shall discuss about solo tasking and its impact on productivity. See, we have been listening to the concept of multitasking, and we are in a way used to the concept of multitasking where we try to do lot of things at once. We try to divide our attention on completing many tasks at once. A few years or a few decades back, the concept of multitasking has invaded the market and also our personal lives. Okay, but after some years of experience and some years of observation, the new concept at work is tasking, where it is where they have understood that multitasking is really not working out. It is failing in creating or in giving that productivity among the employees. Okay, so this is the new concept called solo tasking, which is also called monotasking, where you need to focus, you need to concentrate on one thing at once. Okay, so this is a new concept, and that has proven to be very productive because we have to tackle one thing at a time and we have to focus 100%, we have to give our 100% attention and we have to focus our 100% attention on one task, not handling multiple things and getting distracted. Okay, so multitasking is something which really makes us feel productive, but monotasking or solo tasking is something which really helps us be productive. There is a big difference if you understand. Feeling productive and actually being productive. And monotasking or solo tasking is something which helps you really be productive because your entire focus, your entire attention is undivided. You are doing one task at a time and you are focusing on completing that task. You are not juggling over many tasks, you are not jumping to many tasks at a time, you are not ending up being unfinished everywhere. Okay, now you can produce high quality work if you solo task, if you give your 100% attention to that one task you are doing, then you can definitely because there are no distractions, because you don't have to, you're not thinking of other tasks at this particular point of time, you can really focus and complete a productive job. A productive output will be guaranteed if you solo task. Okay, now these are the benefits. Solo tasking definitely increases your productivity, your efficiency, your quality at work. Okay, see, you have to have a to-do list. Definitely and your to-do list may be very long. No issue. Here the thing is, you are trying to complete your to-do list one by one. You are not jumping to many tasks at a time and you are not ending up distracted. You are not ending up messed up. You are not ending up unfinished. Okay, so that is the concept of solo tasking, where you can really have or you can really produce a quality and productive work where your efficiency, your quality will be high. And it reduces errors also because your focus, your attention is completely on that one task which you are doing right now. There is very less scope of committing silly mistakes. In contrast to multitasking, if you keep doing many things at once, your mind will be distracted and you may, there is a very high chance that you may commit silly errors or silly mistakes. Okay, but solo tasking avoids such errors, right? Also, it improves the quality of work, obviously. When you are focused, is undivided, and when your attention is 100% there, there is every chance that you produce a good quality work. And it also helps you focus for longer periods of time. Okay, your focus is undivided and undistracted. Your focus is on one thing. So you can obviously focus on that job at that point of time for a longer period of time. Okay, because you don't have to think of any other task when you're doing this particular job here, right? And obviously it will be less stressful, because when you are multitasking, you have to think about many things at once. That obviously will increase your stress levels. But when you're solo tasking, you have to focus on this one task at this time. Okay, so all your energies, all your thoughts, they are all focused on one particular job of yours, and you will feel obviously less stressful. Okay, so try to avoid multitasking and try to focus on solo tasking. Okay, and be productive. Thank you.